You see what kind of mess we got in here. We have had some kind of rain. Anyway, this is what's happening. Straw going in there, we just raked up. We got some poles here we're gonna add on. Put a brooder coop. That big box under there. We're gonna put these poles up. We're gonna come out about 10 foot off this side shed. Anyway, we working on the chicken yard. We added these 2 doors today. Got that cleaned up. But anyway, we've been moving pins around. You can see what kind of mess this got all into, that row of pins there. We got one down there, the dog's about destroyed. So we moved all this, put them on some fresh grass. Ain't a lot of green grass right now, but we moved these 2 brothers right here. Or no, this one and this one. Them two's tough. But that right there, Kelso, is about one of the strongest roosters I've ever handled. Anyway, my daughter's Silkies. We got some pheasants, typies. Some of these pens we working on today cleaning up. We've added straw, but that's Americana. This is Silky Polish crossing. Of course, these are pure Polish right there. Wire, get out of there. That's Polish. That's the crosses off of a Silky. Them things turned out beautiful. Americanas, that's typies. And this is just our egg laying. We got a little bit of this, that, and the other in here, but we've added straw all in there. Trying to clean up. We got a mess. This is redneck right here, and fixing to do away with all that mess. That's got to be cleaned up. But anyway, a little bit of what's going on today. A little work in the chicken yard. We'll get to something more interesting later on. Ready to start growing plants. Everybody needs a daughter like that. Work hard. No nonsense. She won't even smile for the camera.